Hey there. So you've heard about Brazilian bikini waxing and are curious, right? Maybe you're excited, or maybe a little nervous. Don't worry. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know, so you can walk in confident and walk out smooth. Let's get into it. First off, what is it? A Brazilian bikini wax is a hair removal technique that leaves you smooth, soft, and stubble-free in your bikini area. Unlike a regular bikini wax that just cleans up the edges, a Brazilian goes all the way, front, sides, and yes, even the backside. It's a favorite for vacations, special occasions, or whenever you just want to feel ultra confident. Plus, the results can last up to 4 weeks. So, why do people love Brazilian waxing? It saves time. No more shaving every few days. The results are smoother and longer lasting compared to shaving or creams. Over time, hair grows back finer and slower. And let's be real, it feels amazing to slip into a swimsuit or outfit knowing you're all set. Now let's talk about getting ready. Preparing for your appointment is super easy, but it makes a big difference. Let your hair grow out to about the length of a grain of rice. Too short, and the wax won't grip. The day before, gently exfoliate the area. This helps remove dead skin and reduces the chance of ingrown hairs. Avoid lotions, oils, or anything greasy on the day of your appointment. And wear something loose and comfy. Think sweatpants or a flowy skirt. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. So, what actually happens during a Brazilian wax? Here's how it works. The esthetician starts by cleaning the area and applying warm wax. The wax hardens and is quickly removed, pulling hair out from the root. They'll work in sections, making sure every area is clean and smooth. It might sting a little, but the session is over fast, usually within 15 to 30 minutes. After your wax, your skin will need a little TLC. Here's how to care for it. Skip hot showers, swimming, or workouts for at least 24 hours. Your skin will need time to recover. Apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm any redness. After 2 days, exfoliate gently to prevent ingrown hairs. And remember, wear breathable fabrics like cotton to keep your skin happy. Alright, let's tackle some of your burning questions. Does it hurt? Okay, let's be honest. It's not painless. But the good news is, the discomfort only lasts a second, and it gets easier with regular waxing. How long does it last? On average, you'll stay smooth for 3 to 4 weeks. Can I do it myself? You can, but we recommend seeing a pro, especially if it's your first time. Professionals know how to get the job done quickly and safely. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about Brazilian bikini waxing. Now you're ready to book your appointment and rock that smooth, confident vibe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more beauty and self-care tips, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.